I will show you guys the easiest way you can put this tire inside this rim with zip tie. There's one arrow in this tire that shows the movement. This is the zip tie. You will use it to, clean the tire like this and then tie. Okay, I'll make it here also. Let me practice what I see on YouTube. Yeah. This is the soap water I drink. From the spring. What's happening? Then you spray it here. Then you check this arrow. This arrow is supposed to face like this because the tire is moving like this. So where is the arrow again? Okay, yeah. Have to put it on a flat surface. I have to apply a lot of force. That is why I didn't record it. Oh my God. You have to take this zip tie, tie the tire into 6 places, then put this soap water, put the soap water around, and then you first